Hi, Jesse Hooper here from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, your local area specialist. Today I am in the heart of Te Atatu Peninsula at a superb property. This is 16A St Jerome Avenue. This property's had a full reclad back in 2022. It's had a facelift inside with a new kitchen, bathrooms and even new carpet. All the hard work's been done. Now it's time for you to move in. Let's go take the tour. Thank you for coming on the tour with me today. I look forward to meeting you at one of our up-and-coming open homes, or if that doesn't work for you, get in touch for a private viewing. This home won't last long, so make it yours.